Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Here, Ben. Walk up.
There's Kim walking downhill, setting out the sheep.
And so she's sighting her sheep. She's adjusting how to stay out of the pressure of the sheep now. She's going to lose sight of her sheep as she drops back over that hill. And did you see her adjust? Good girl. You see, from down here, where I sent her, she had no sight of the sheep. But she held the direction I sent her. Now, she cannot see the sheep now. And a sheepdog trial, and especially with a young dog, if I go to the post, and this is my agility training, I get down here and I see she has no way of seeing the sheep. I am not above saying, look. And you can do that.
Yeah? Cool.
And I would do that in a trial. You know, absolutely. Here, I really like the fact that she kept, the hard thing was not knowing where the sheep was. She's trained, if she's on this side, she's not to cross my path.
Right.
Crossing my path, I lose all points. So sitting here and her not seeing the sheep, there's a possibility that she may choose to cross my path. Let's see if she does it again. Bender, ready? Good girl. And as soon as she saw, she never came across my path. I would never set her that close to me in a trial. The further away I would go, the more wide she would take off the other way. See if she flares back a little bit. Nice.
Super.
Okay, now, the sheep are not reacting. The dog held that down a long time. I could reinforce it. I want to see how she... You think we have start line issues? She may not flare. It'll be interesting to see. She's always one of the fastest dogs to the top. There she goes. Good. Well. What? Look, Nate. Look. Look. Oh, wait. Now, Kim, the first time she held for Newt, never knew he was back there. Lizard comes around the corner back there like an elephant. All right, now, let's see if he's going to cover. He can't see those sheep. So I'm going to flank him over just a hair to correct that.
different perspective. This time I'm with the sheep. Too short. There she goes. That was nice, the time.